Hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to generate leads for affiliate marketing. If you're struggling to get leads, maybe you have the best product ever, but you're not getting leads consistently, you are not going to get money. So before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to teach you how to generate leads for affiliate marketing. It doesn't matter what your product is. If you are not getting leads, you are not getting sales. And if you are not getting sales, you're not going to make money online, and you're going to be just getting frustrated. Leads, that's the name of the game. You need to get leads every single day, as many qualified and targeted leads as you can if you really want to make a great online business. How you can drive traffic? Well, maybe by now you know that you can have free traffic or you can have paid traffic. If you're on a budget, there is no excuse. There is a lot of things that you can do to drive traffic. For example, you can post on Facebook, and by Facebook I mean you can actually put it on your Facebook profile. You can post on other people's Facebook group. You can create your own Facebook group. You can do Instagram, right? Maybe you're going to be creating a great Instagram account, uses the best hashtags. You can have your own YouTube channel. Of course, free traffic is going to take time, but it's totally worth it. And if you do it right, you can get tons of free traffic, but you need to be consistent, and you need to understand that this is not going to be something that is going to happen overnight. But with the proper strategy, you are going to accomplish your goal, which is getting leads every single day. If you decide to go with paid traffic, you can do solo ads, which is basically that you're going to buy clicks for someone who have a really big list, really big target list, and he or she is going to be promoting your landing page. Maybe you're going to be buying 100 clicks. They're going to be well targeted, and on that, you're going to be getting these people emails. You can also do Facebook ads. You can also do Google ads. You can also do Instagram ads. And also, there is another way in which you can do on Instagram. You can use the it's called a shout out, and in which you're gonna DM, a person who have a really big Instagram account, and you're gonna pay, for them to send this information to their Instagram followers. Okay, this is the paid traffic. A lot of people think like paid traffic equals money. No, if you're not doing this correctly, you are not gonna get results either. Another thing, and this is a great mistake. I don't know why. Whenever someone buy, paid traffic, they send it directly to the offer. You need to avoid this, okay? You need to avoid this. You always need to be capturing people's emails. It doesn't matter which traffic source you're going to be using. You need to do this because you need to do follow-ups. People are going to buy your product or whatever product says you're promoting after the 7th email. Okay, so that means that you need to be in touch with them every single day for the next 7, or you can do it for 10 days. It will be way better. Okay, if you want to get a sale. Yeah, I know it can be frustrated at the beginning. You can think that this is a long process, but it's actually not. Consider this. Okay, at the beginning it's going to start kind of slow, but this is going to be like a roller coaster. At the beginning it's going to be slow, and then boom, you're going to be getting sales every single day, and it's way easier to sell the products that you're promoting to someone who already have a relationship with you. In this case, it's going to be via email, or it can also be via Facebook chatbot or any other chatbots that you have. But if you just send them directly to the offer, it's going to be like a hit and miss. If they don't buy it, or maybe sometimes this happens that you send them directly to the offer, but that product, the owner never give you the name or the email address of the person who buy. Okay, so take this into consideration. Why a lot of people are not getting any kind of leads at all? It's because they forget the fact that they need to build curiosity. Okay, sometimes people are on Facebook, on Instagram, everywhere, and they are telling people everything. They mention the product name, they are trying to be the salesperson, and actually that's not your job. Your job is just to drive traffic, that's it. As an affiliate marketer, you need to identify a problem and you need to match that problem with a product, okay? But you need to build curiosity, something like maybe you have a crazy dog that barks all day long, right? And you're gonna put something like, hey, do you have a really annoying dog? It's bothering you. Maybe you're trying, to call, depending on your audience, it can be something like, you're trying to do this important call, or you're in the middle of the meeting, you cannot work at home because your dog is barking all night long. Hey, you know what? I have this I just discovered how to teach your dog or a really good way how you're going to teach your dog how to just stop barking. So you're going to be building curiosity. People are going to be like, hey, I have this problem. I want to know how she solved it, or how he solved it. So again, you need to match a problem with a solution. Okay, a problem with a solution. This actually works on every single niche. Sometimes people forget that, but if you want to be really successful with affiliate marketing, that's what you need to do. Do not mention the product name. As you can see, I never mention it. I don't mention the price. I don't tell the features. I just tell what problem I had and how did I solve it, or how, if you want to know how did I solve it, right? And something really important is that people do not put a call to action. So I need to say something like, hey, if you want to know how to stop this for now or ever, type info, type dog, something, so I know that they're really interested. Okay, keep it simple. Do not put like a super long phrase or try to be dramatic with your call to action, but you need to tell people what they need to do next. Okay, you are not like a TV show. You're someone who is trying to help people. Okay, you're an affiliate marketer. Again, you're gonna match a problem with a solution. Don't forget to put the call to action. What's the next step? And with that said, you're gonna be having quality leads every single day. Also, if you're doing this on Facebook, for example, remember that Facebook love posts which has like a lot of engagement. So it's Facebook identified that your post, it's getting, comments every second. Your reach is going to be way better. Also, remember that people on Facebook can share your posts, okay? They can share your posts so you can build really good momentum, but you need to apply this technique. If you want to learn more about this, how to be a top seller, how to be a great affiliate marketer, I'm going to leave a link below. It's going to be my number one recommendation. It's going to be the very first link in the description. If you really want to learn more about this, how to create an online profitable business with affiliate marketer. If you have some comments, if you have some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'd be more than happy to answer them. If you find this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.